Welcome to this video on the Max Effect model, a unified instructional architecture designed to create coherent and predictable learning experiences. Fragmented instructional practices often lead to chaotic, inconsistent experiences. This happens when there are inconsistent structures, a constant need to reinvent the wheel, and misaligned support systems. When structures are unpredictable, students spend their energy decoding new routines instead of learning content, while teachers lose time planning logistics. The Max Effect model solves this by providing a unified instructional architecture. It replaces fragmented practices with a coherent, scalable system that reduces cognitive load. Three core principles ensure this system remains effective: clarity for easy-to-use components, predictability for stable routines, and scalability to expand without added complexity. The anatomy of instructional alignment consists of four interconnected components: the quarter notebooks, FRUPS, unit materials, and hiking paths. Quarter notebooks provide a clean, predictable container for all instructional materials, ensuring consistency regardless of the teacher or unit. FRUPS acts as the quarter-level backbone. It defines instructional flow and pacing, ensuring these are never a mystery to students or teachers. Unit materials, including teacher, student, and support packs, are built on a single structural logic to ensure everything speaks the same language. Finally, hiking paths map an adaptive learning progression, guiding students through a structured journey from foundation to mastery. This integrated architecture delivers dual benefits. Teachers achieve a stable, manageable workflow, while students gain a familiar environment focused on content. By transforming fragmented chaos into structural coherence, the Max Effect model creates a better experience for the student, the teacher, and the entire system. In short, it is coherence by design, predictable structures, unified materials, and limitless learning. For more information on the Max Effect model, please contact the Future Ready Educators Cooperative at the email address or phone number shown.